So now we are going to take out those samples. So we should take out all the samples in up. So we take out all. See that? When the bulb is above, then we take that. And then we stop. So we left. So first of all, when we come, we press this button, and then press this, and then our computer starts. And then we wait for our computer to start. After the computer starts, we use the software Lab Express. This you can start the software. And this means your wires are connected, and that one is green. And we have opened this project. This is our device name. We can make a new device, 3 terminal, 4 terminal, or whatever. We make its name is GOS 2. Okay. Dimensions we can is 1000. This is our 1000. 300 millimeter. This is our device. Library, pens, small testings. Okay. Then we okay. Then we can test our device. BDS 8030. Yes. So here we will keep the gain voltage constant. Source range from 0 to 0 to 1. The step is this one, and this is ground, and you can see SMU1 and SMU3 is the source and drain, and SMU4 is the gate. Here we also know, and in our configuration we can also see SMU4, this is SMU4, that is gate, source and drain. So now we are going to test our device. We are going to apply, say OK, we say measure, we click here, ask the option, and now we can see our device. This is a VD and this is ID. So this is a VD and ID curve, we say IV curve of our device, and we can also check on different voltages, and we can also apply the different gates. So now we want to save the data, so we say dump the data, we give it a name, new folder, we say COS2. This is graphene oxide device, and the conditions were VDS from 0 to 1 volt, and the VGS is equal to 0 volts, and this is in dark condition. Basically there is a light, but maybe we can say it's ambient condition. Later about tighter, you give some power, and do not see directly to the laser. If you want the pulse laser, then you should give a pulse. We will setting here. The pulse period is 1 second, and we provide a modulation signal 2.5 volts, and it means how much time it will take. So you can see here, it's now half second it's on and half second it's off. And if you want to maybe make it now it's 3 seconds on and 3 seconds off. And if you want to make it faster, then you can change its frequency. For example, now it's 100, you can make it faster. To check your device sensitivity, like this. So you can change the speed from here. Okay, that's nicer. And for me, okay. So it's inside. This is a motor. And this is a right person. So you can better. If you're right, so we can get it. So here we are, and make new. This is the testing of the device under 335 amp laser. Just the hands, you can see. This is the stop the frequency. This is the frequency. So you can see the device can make a UV.